You're not doing everything you can to help your brand or your business if you don't have a media kit. So how do you create one? Come with me. Hello world, my name is Mike Ploger and I'm here with Visme, the greatest internet tool on the planet for building impactful designs that strengthen your reputation. Today, we're talking media kits. Over the next few minutes, we'll discuss what exactly media kits are, how they help, why you need one for your brand, and how you can get started making one. By the end of this video, you'll have the power to reel in new collaborations with companies and influencers that you didn't think was possible before. Shall we? Let's start off easy and simply explain what exactly a media kit is. For those who don't know, a media kit is a document or packet that contains vital information about a brand, business, influencer, or organization that's meant to be shared with partners and collaborators. It's in the realm of public relations and it's typically in the form of a PDF, which is perhaps the most recommended, or a Word document or a zip file of multiple images and documents. You could even feature them on your website if you wanted. But why do you need one? Well, I'm glad you asked. At some point, your business will want to reach out to collaborators, search for partners or investors, or even reach out to the media about a new venture within the company. These times are when media kits are necessary. Whether it's people reaching out to you first or you reaching out to others, you'll want to be ready with a media kit. And the good thing is, they don't need to be adjusted for every single pitch. You can create one media kit that will speak to a larger audience and just update it seasonally. With this question, we're starting to get into the meat of this video. There are typically three types of media kits: those created by a business, those created by an influencer, and those created by nonprofits. Let's explore each of these a little deeper. A business-to-business collaboration occurs when one of those businesses sends a media kit to the other, hoping to partner up with a product, promotion, social media campaign, guest post, or even a case study. An example would be Spotify and Waze teaming up. One company is in music, the other is in travel directions. Well, when we're driving and we need directions, we like to listen to music or podcasts in the car too, right? Absolutely we do, which is why these two became a great match. Now you can easily link your Spotify account with your Waze GPS. Apple and Nike is another example to consider, as Apple features a number of Nike-specific apps on their watches. If you're a new business and looking for some investors to hop on board and help your idea reach its full potential, then you'll want a business-to-investor media kit. These kits should be specific as to why an investor should be interested in your venture, so highlight proven statistics that you have a good idea. Think Shark Tank and the pitches businesses provide on the show, but put those pitches into document form. Is there a medium out there that you think would be the perfect place to promote your product or brand? Well, create a media kit for it and make your pitch. Whether it's a media outlet, blogger, or famous personality, a well-made press kit can encourage them to share your business, in turn introducing your company to a large, passionate following. Qualcomm sponsored content on the Digital Trends site to introduce readers to new 5G phones powered by the company. Readers of the site will associate 5G with Qualcomm moving forward, thanks to them pairing with the Digital Trends media. On the flip side would be your influencers reaching out to businesses. Those people on Instagram with thousands of followers aren't always just letting businesses come to them. They're also reaching out to businesses that they enjoy and want to partner with in order to generate income. Sure, is Beyonce reaching out herself? I highly doubt it. But nano and micro influencers with smaller followings are putting the work in, and they're using media kits to do it. We encourage nonprofits to write to publications and to media outlets as well. The goal is to generate awareness and entice an audience to take action with your company, and media outlets are one of the best platforms to accomplish that. The Trevor Project, which is a suicide prevention organization for LGBTQ teens, partnered with Macy's. Portions of the proceeds from the sale of a specific item went to the Trevor Project, making for a wonderful collaboration. Nonprofits will also need to reach out to existing and potential donors from time to time and should do so with a media kit. By simply explaining why donors should participate or how the organization benefits the world, nonprofits can open their doors to receiving an increased number of donations. You should now have an understanding to how a media kit can help you. So let's hop into the nuts and bolts of the media kit itself. First, what should you include? The worst thing you can do is send a media kit to someone not expecting it and not include your contact information. They need to know who it is that they're dealing with and how to contact you directly. Make it easy for them by including your company name, address, phone numbers, emails, websites, and social media accounts. Provide as much information as possible for them while not overloading the graphic and making it too crowded. Early on in your media kit, you must explain who you are and what you do. You may only have seconds to sell your business to a viewer before they throw it away and move on. This information should include your company history, leadership team, information on the CEO or founder, your brand story, and more. You could include quotes or reviews from the media here, but we'll actually touch more on that in a second. Either way, this is where you sell yourself. This information should be front and center for your audience to easily spot. On the same token, you must make it clear what the mission of your company is. What are you selling? What can you offer, or what are you asking for? Your business's offerings should jump off the page, so consider including a mini brochure or sales kit to make it clear what you're looking for in a potential partnership. Including your audience's demographics can help attract potential partners too. Whether it's a similar demographic or one that a partner may be trying to reach, include bite-sized audience information in your media kit. A partnership is meant to open the floodgates to a new audience of consumers who you haven't been able to reach. So include your audience's demographic statistics to help your reader understand who you're trying to reach. The best way to prove yourself is with testimonials and statistics. Just like when we're deciding on a new restaurant and we check the reviews, other businesses will want the same kind of information to know whether or not they should work with you. Include testimonials from happy customers to provide some reassurance. Statistics can do the same thing. How has your company grown? How well are you doing this year compared to last? How many people are visiting your website? Any statistics that prove you're onto something positive should be included to help sell yourself. Awards fall in the same category as proven statistics. Again, you need to have the proof that you have something good going and you're successful. This is what's going to grab attention and separate yourself from others if you have the history. Any positive media coverage that you've had could be used here too. If you've never had a partner, skip this section. However, if you've associated with other notable companies before, mention that. If a viewer sees a client that they trust mentioned in your clients, they're more likely to work with you. Still not sure you have anything to prove your worth? Maybe you have a case study. These are documents that can prove the results your company has had with past clients. They illustrate real-life situations and the outcome of working with you and your business. And as you get towards the end, include a frequently asked questions section to help clarify any confusion. As you send out more and more media kits, you'll recognize these questions that viewers typically have. So over time, adjust your media kit to include them, saving any time and uncertainty. Are you still with me? If you're not already, I recommend taking notes. If you're not a notes person, save the link to this video so it's easy to revisit. Our final section here is going to walk you through a step-by-step process for creating your own media kit. Let's go! The first thing you need to do is gather all of your information. Do this beforehand rather than piece it together as you build. Everything we discussed you should include. Contact info, stats, awards, product info. Put it into a document that's easy to refer to and pull from. Another way to speed up the process while maintaining professionalism is by using a template. Visme, for example, provides access to hundreds of professionally designed templates that were built with the viewer in mind. We have media kit templates for musicians, cooks, artists, photographers, private businesses, and more. You can edit them to achieve the look that you're going for, and then all you have to do is plug in your own information. Go to visme.com to see for yourself. The editing you'll want to do with a template is making it match your brand. Incorporating your brand's colors, logos, fonts, and overall style will help a viewer associate the media kit with your business. If IKEA put out a media kit, do you think it'd be red and green? No, of course not. They'd almost exclusively use their blue and yellow that they're known for. That's proper branding and something you should try to achieve in all of your marketing materials. While your content is the bones of your media kit, you need strong visuals to jump off the page and make your media kit more attractive. We recommend a few different options for visuals that you should use. First is a high-resolution logo. Clean, crisp logos throughout a media kit are reminders of your professionalism and nail your brand into the brains of viewers. You instantly become more recognizable. Then you have charts and infographics. These represent facts and numbers in a visually appealing way that's easier to understand than just plain text. Your audience's demographics or previous success in the form of numbers could be two good reasons to use infographics. Photography and stock images can be used to add value to your media kit as well. If you're not confident in your pictures, there's millions of stock photos online that you can choose from. However, if you have the ability, we recommend using your own images as they're specific to you and not widely used by anyone and everyone. And the last visuals are icons and illustrations. Think of how emojis add to text and captions. Icons have the same effect. Visme has a vast selection of them that you won't find anywhere else except in our editor. And alas, the final step is to share your media kit. It may sound simple, but there's actually a lot of options to optimize performance depending on how you want your audience to receive it. Downloading as a PDF or high-resolution image file is your most common, and rightfully so due to reliability. Or you can take the HTML file and embed your media kit directly into a website for your audience to interact with. An offline HTML5 file is also at your fingertips with Visme's sharing capabilities. Or if you're an enterprise user with Visme, you can create your own subdomain to share. It'd be hosted by Visme and is one of the easiest ways to share a media kit with the masses. You can even monitor its success through analytics inside your Visme dashboard. And that's all, folks. Yes, there's a lot to remember, but one thing you can take away is the help Visme provides. If you think we provided a lot of value just through this video, imagine what our website will do. Again, head to visme.com to see for yourself. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I know all content creators say that, but it's what helps us continue to help you. We'll see you back here next time with Visme. I'm Mike Ploger, helping you make information beautiful.